In this video, I'll show you how to solve a very common problem that shows up on the hatchback minis, and in this case, the rear button switch that's supposed to open the hatch when the vehicle's unlocked is not working, but if you use the key fob, it works fine. So that shows that it probably is the button switch, but we can test the latch. Wait for it. It unlocks itself when you close the hatch, so that's also an indication that the button switch has failed. Now, if we open it up with the key fob again, we can test the latch pretty easily. We'll just put a screwdriver in to simulate closing it. Sure enough, tried to open itself again. So the latch is good. The button switch is incorporated into this long chrome handle, as are the license plate illumination lights. So there's 4 screws holding it to the vehicle. They are T20 Torx. It's pretty easy to remove. I'll speed through this a little bit, save you guys some time. But I do want to caution you, when you remove this thing, I recommend you put a clamp on the wire coming out of the hatch. There's really nothing to keep it from going inside, and if it drops inside the hatch, you're going to have a little bit of trouble trying to get it back out. If you look at this failed unit here, you've got 15-year-old plastic friction tabs here holding it in place. We've also got a button pad here. This rubber pad is glued on at the factory, so you'd have to cut that away if you want to access the failed switch from the outside. And if you cut it out completely, there are pads being sold that allegedly will fit perfectly in replacement to the factory. Or for about $20 more, you can buy a complete unit ready to go, plug and play, that won't generate any dash errors. And for the time it saved, that was my choice. The one I received, fortunately, it's a beautiful chrome piece that even has a protective coating on the chrome, which of course we'll leave on during the installation process. It's got a plug that matches the plug on the vehicle, so it truly is ready to plug and play. And of course you're getting also brand new license plate lights for your money. There's bulbs in there already, and they will not generate any dash warnings because they are the same standard bulbs used by the factory. And then you've got a brand new working switch under a much nicer rubber pad. We can test this real quick. We'll just lock the vehicle and unlock it to put ourselves into the mode needed to activate the switch. And sure enough, it's working. But before mounting it permanently, there's no shame in just kind of cleaning up the area around it while you have access to it. And once you're done with that, you remove our clamp again. And I was a little concerned that alignment might not be good, but it was actually so good that this thing hung on the vehicle nicely without even any screws attached. But just to be on the safe side, I started all the screws and left them loose until I got all 4 of them in place. And then I went back and tightened them completely. It turned out the alignment of this replacement handle was perfect. And we can remove the protective coating, and we've got a beautiful brand new chrome handle. Looks great, works great. Bright sunny day, but we still want to test those license plate lights, make sure they're working as well, so we'll turn the headlights on. And we can see those are working good too. So it looks like we've got a good repair and a good replacement. If this helped you guys out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to replace one of these, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.